Hello everybody, today perfect octave, an interval that describes the distance between two pitches where the frequency of the pitches doubles or halves. Let's start on the A. Walk up 12 half steps. Land on the next A. A to A ascending 12 half steps. Perfect octave. And A to A descending also perfect octave 12 half steps. Congratulations if you made it this far in this series. Now you're familiar with all the basic intervals from the perfect unison up to the perfect octave. That's very, very good. Go ahead. The next step will be to use these intervals to build up scales and chords. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. I see you for the next one.